Hello, welcome to Mooji Truck Sales, and I'm gonna show you this 2016 Freightliner. It's a reefer truck. It's a 22-foot box. Here it is, 2016 Freightliner M2 with a 22-foot box, reefer box. It's a Supra 660. Supra 660, and it has electric standby, so it's legal in California, and it has the DEF system, and it is a California truck with no rust. 2 fuel tanks, 50-gallon each, and the reefer box is a 22-foot box. This truck, if you the plan is to hopefully, maybe, because I have two of them, I have this one and that one, is to remove the box just like I did with this cabin chassis right here. And so this was one of these, and I sold the box because somebody wanted the box, so I sold the box. First come, first serve. Sold the box, and people have been contacting me about that cabin chassis. So if you end up buying it as a cabin chassis, you can put a 24-foot box on this one, because it's 22, you can manage to put 24. Anyways, I have the wheelbase information on the video, but right now we're talking about this reefer truck, and it has electric standby. I need to take a picture of that for my pictures. I'm gonna get this cover for the batteries, and you can look at the tires right here. Let's see the front tires. They seem to be okay, and it's no check engine light. And also you're gonna see here the bottom of it, clean, no oil leaks. And I'm gonna show you here from the back as well. As you can see, everything is nice and clean, and I'm going to show you inside the box. As you can see, everything is good to go, everything is intact, and I'm going to take this reefer to my reefer repair guy, great guy Renee in Vernon. If you ever need somebody to do that for you, I make videos also to show his space and what he does. So he's going to be making sure that my reefer is working, because it doesn't seem to be cooling properly, but I'm going to be taking care of that for you. And as you can see, the interior is nice. I'm gonna start the truck. Starts right away.